Hey guys, it's Ashlynn. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a highly requested everyday makeup tutorial. If you didn't notice, I'm in a completely different setup. I thought the lighting was pretty good, so I'm not using my box lights today. With that being said, different setup. I first of all just want to say that my makeup routine changes day to day. So all of these products pretty much change every single day, but this is like the gist of what I do. So with that being said, let's just get on with the video. I'm first starting out with my Benefit Professional Primer, and I'm just putting that like around my nose and like my cheek area. Move on to eyebrows next. So I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and mine's in the shade Medium Brown. This is one of those products that I use every day, and I just like to lightly fill in my eyebrows, nothing too crazy. I like to set my brows, and I use the Essence Lash and Brow Gel. This is like my favorite brow gel for some reason. I like to move on to eyes. So what I use to prime my eyelids, I use the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer. My eyelids are now primed, and so now I'm going to use the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly eyeshadow palette for my eyeshadow. I'm first taking a big brush and taking the shade Extra Creamy and just setting my eyelids. I'm taking this shade called Spread the Love and mixing it with peanut butter just to make my transition shade. And I'm going in with Peanut Butter and Nuts About You, those two shades, and mixing them and putting them on my like crease and outer corner. And using Bananas and putting that just on my lid. Okay, now taking the Born This Way concealer and putting it under my eyes. Also, I have a guest here now. Hi. That's Isabella, if you didn't know. Oh, that was a lot of concealer. A lot of the times I like to kind of put it everywhere, kind of like foundation, but not really. Because I have like some discoloration, so when I like put bronzer and blush and stuff, it kind of just looks uneven, so that's why I like to kind of put it everywhere. This video has been crap so far. I've got this far and I've had to upload my videos to the computer because I've run out of storage twice in this video. Also, I've been like out of frame practically the whole time. Well, not really, but kind of. Anyways, I'm not going to use the Laura Mercier powder. For bronzer, I'm using the Hoola Light. It's pretty light, but I'm trying to get my use out of it, so the Essence Satin Touch blush in the shades Satin Coral for blush. For glow, I'm using the Sun Dipped Glow Kit, and I'm using these two shades in it. And I'm using my eyelash curler and the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. This changes pretty much every time, but this is my favorite, so that's why I decided to use it. And last but not least, well, I sometimes don't do this, but occasionally I'll put on a little lipstick or lip gloss. So this is the MAC lipstick in the shade Hug Me. It's really natural, and I like it. As the end of this video, I hope you guys enjoyed or learned something from it, because you guys really wanted this video. Also, I don't do my makeup every day, but pretty much every day, and it really depends. But this is kind of what I wear to school / out anywhere. But yeah, make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! On every side.